Boom! Man like Wabbit. Wabbit is back. Yeah. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Wabbit. And you know I got your back the tech way. Tech, news, photography, everything you need to know. Wabbit got your back. As promised on Monday, I told you I'll be talking about Huawei and everything you need to know about Huawei, their OS, why they are laying off workers in US and all that stuff, you know. So just stay tuned and let's get so before anything, yeah, you guys can see what I'm wearing, man. Confidence. I'm saying confidence. Yeah, this is an apparel from my boy Samuel. I'ma link his Instagram page if you want to order this, man. Proud sponsor of Wabbit. I'm saying just check his product out. He has great summer shirts, hoodies, you know what I mean, this fancy stuff, man. And you know it's about God. You know, God first. Without God, we're nothing. Guys, let's without talking much intro and stuff, let's dive right into it. First news, before we get to the Huawei stuff, I need to acknowledge some great news out there. It's trending news out there. And the first news I want to talk about, man, this is like great news, man. This is great news. There's this news trending, man. It's making Ghanaians go crazy. So there's news on myjoyonline.com, which is like one of the top Ghanaian news websites out there. If you're Ghanaian, you definitely know what I'm talking about. It says, I know my level. I know my level. Quotes. Beyonce's features Shatta Wale on new album. So as we can see from the title, Beyonce is dropping a new album, and our own boy, man like Shatta, is on this album. Dude, this is great news for Ghana. Like this is on another level. As Shatta Wale will say, I know my level. I know my level. Know my level. So yeah, let's just take some info from this page and see what it's talking about. Let's see. It says talked about entertainer Shatta Wale has shattered the glass ceiling in Ghana music industry. Of course, landing arguably the biggest international collaboration ever in the feature with American Queen B. On Beyonce's 14th song new album, The Lion King, The Gift, Shatta Wale is featured in song number 11 already. Damn! Sorry for my words, man, but this is sick. This is great news for Ghana. This is awesome news for Africa, man. So there's a list of African musicians actually on this new album Beyonce is dropping. And yeah, we have artists like Mr. Easy, Yemi Alade, Tiwa Savage, and the rest. A lot of them. Like this in Africa who like Beyonce has, you have done it for us. Beyonce is multi-millionaire, top R&B, pop, hip-hop artist. She's like the queen when it comes to the art, like when it comes to that world, performance and everything. It's on point. So featuring this African artist as a boost for African music to get out there, man. This is a breakthrough we needed. So yeah, guys on Twitter, I don't know, trying to throw Sarkodie because Sarkodie is like the main figure in Ghana, and probably if anyone should feature on the Beyonce's album should be him. But despite all this, you guys should just stop this stuff. It's a good news for Africa, good news for Ghana. So let's just all be happy that Shatta Wale has got this gig and stop trying to laugh at Sarkodie because of social media, you know, right? Everyone just loves to gloat on people. It's crazy. So anyway, this is what's up in Africa. So I wish Shatta Wale the best. I hope this builds up more artists to work hard like Shatta Wale and yeah, get collaborations like this. Like this is good news. This is good news. So moving on to the next news. moving on to the next news. So yeah, on Monday, right, I was talking about this Area 51 case. You can just go back and check if you haven't watched this video. I was talking about this Area 51 case. So like this thing is a kind of joke on Facebook. Someone, it's a clickbait to me. That's what I think. It's a clickbait. People are just using it to trend. It's just for fun, yeah. But I don't know how serious people are taking this. Like this has become something else. It started with a joke, and now almost people are really wanting to storm this Area 51. And yeah, you know, American military will not just let people do that. So they kept responding. That means it has really gotten that far. They responded.
Video games again.
They were saying the military was like, I think the command or something was saying, this is a ground for their air force to train and stuff. So they are 100% ready for any intruder. They are protecting the integrity and secrecy of the place and the people of America. That's what the person said. Let me read this from Forbes.com. It says some people are taking storming Area 51 more seriously than others. In the latest of the weird and wacky on the internet, Facebook event entitled Storm Area 51, They Can't Stop Us All, has gone viral. Over 1.3 million people have indicated that they are going to this 3 a.m. joke event on September 20th to stage a joint invasion of the military base and finally see them aliens. Aliens I was talking about, because that's what people believe, they are aliens. Americans are hiding UFO info, aliens evidence and things there. So let's see. So there's a tweet here. I just need to let's go down and get this tweet. Okay, there's a tweet here saying Area 51 is an open training range for the US Air Force, and we would discourage anyone from trying to come into the area where we train American armed forces. This US Air Force always stands ready to protect America and its assets. Man, this is from Laura McAndrews, Air Force spokesperson. So their military is taking this serious. Guys, I think the joke, it's time for us to drop this joke. Oh yeah, still ready, man, because man, Wabbitshot is ready. Strapped on. We go into Area 51. So yeah. Let's move on to the next story. FaceApp. Man, this is crazy. So I'ma quickly just drop some top celebrities and their FaceApp trend pictures on. Like, it's funny, man. It's really funny. I've seen this picture of Avengers, and like someone has FaceApp them, making them old. Now this trend keeps coming back. It's not a new trend. It has been there for a while now. I think some years ago they did the same thing. It just pops up. People, I think the app would make you look old, or how you look like when you're 60, 70 years, that kind of thing. It creates some wrinkles on your face and things. So let me just scan through and show you some of these celebs and how they look like when they're old. Man, it's hilarious. You're gonna love your head off. So starting from the Avengers, man. So this is Spider-Man, right? Tom Holland, if I'm right, if that's his name, Tom Holland. So this is him if Spider-Man is old. No, this is him when Spider-Man grows old, like from FaceApp. This is how he will look like if he's old. Not bad. Looks like Mr. Bean, not bad. So this is the Hulk. Man, Hulk is still looking sexy, y'all. The green power. So Hulk's looking old. Oh, Thor. Oh my goodness, man. This is Thor. So this is actually Tom Howard, like, without his Spider-Man costume. And oh my goodness, this guy looks like... Man, he looks cool. Anyway, our next story is about this young guy who passed away recently, Cameron Boyce, who died at the age of 20. He was just 20 years. So sad. And, you know, when he was alive, yeah, he set up this Cameron Boyce Foundation. The organization wants to offer young people a creative and artistic environment to protect them from violence and negativity. Wow, that's massive. For a young guy to think of others, that's like superb. The foundation tries to contribute to the positive world in this way. The website states, Cameron's father, Victor Boyce, says on Twitter about the foundation, let's not talk about it, let's show it, let's do something good, as Cameron would, let's keep his legacy alive. So this is a wake-up call to everyone, every celeb there, to keep the guy's dream alive. So let's move on to the last story here. And you know what it's about? Huawei! I'm so excited about Huawei. Like, if you watch my videos, my past videos, you know I'm always talking about them. Like Huawei, the growth, like, I don't know, it's one of the products I'm really interested in. Despite all this issues with America and Spain and American and Chinese governments and things, Huawei is a good product. I keep recommending it. I'll continue doing it till I die. It's a great product, good camera and everything. So with much enough of the talk, let's just see what this article is saying. This is from mspoweruser.com. It's saying Hongmeng or Arc OS, no Hongmeng. I don't know. It's the OS would be called in China Hongmeng, but maybe to the other word Arc OS. I don't know. But yeah, I know it's an Arc OS. It's not an Android alternative, says Huawei executive. Whoa. So initially we thought Arc OS is going to be like the competitor to Android, like something that is going to push Android or push Android off the market. It's going to replace Android because we are tired of that same product and the monopoly. We need other products, but I don't think it's happening. Okay, let's see. You can't really tell from the title, but let's see. The tech community woke up to rather shocking news this morning when a Huawei executive said the Hongmeng or Arc OS is not an Android alternative, and that the Hongmeng was built for Internet of Things devices only. The Huawei executive Longhua, please, Japanese, Chinese guys out there, forgive me for massacring his name. I can't pronounce your names well, but Longhua said that there are currently no plans to modify the Hongmeng OS to make it run on smartphones devices, and that Android is still their first choice. Oh my goodness, the dream has been crushed. The dream has been crushed. Oh, why will you do that? Okay, it's straight from Google, from cnbc.com. The layoffs are expected to hit Huawei's US development subsidiary FutureWare. According to the Wall Street Journal, FutureWare employs 850 people in research labs throughout the US, including Texas, California, and Washington State. Chinese tech company Huawei plans to lay off hundreds of employees in the United States as a struggle with a blacklist imposed by the Trump administration over national security concerns, the Wall Street Journal reported. Citing people familiar with the matter, the layoffs are expected to hit Huawei's US development subsidiary FutureWare. According to the journal, Future We employs 850 people in research labs throughout the US, including Texas and Washington State and California. Overall, Huawei has about 1,500 employees in the US who mainly sells equipment to rural wireless carriers. This issue ain't stopping today or tomorrow. It keeps. Boom! That's it for today. That's the info I got for you. It's your boy Wabbit, and if you enjoy my content and enjoy my trending news, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. That really helps us, we creators. So please do this for us, yo. See, I'm begging. Anyway, share my videos. Another good way to help me, to support a friend. Share my videos. If you have listened to me, the Mambo Jumbo, to this stage, please share my videos. Let this news spread all over the world, man. Get me more audience. That's what I need. And yeah, if you want to order this, you know what to do. I'm leaving the link in the description box below. Drop your comments. Let me know your views on all what I've said. Just keep interacting, yeah. Drop your comments. And this is your boy Wabbit, and I'm out for today. I shall be back on the next video. Peace, peace, double rock on. Your boy is out.